The High Court has barred police from arresting IT expert Ndiang'ui Kinyagia, who resurfaced in court Thursday after going missing since June 21st. Justice Chacha Mwita has now set hearing dates for July 18th and 24th, and the court will begin taking oral evidence, including the cross-examination of DCI boss Mohamed Amin by lawyers for Ndiang'ui and the Law Society of Kenya. The petition comes amid rising cases of abductions and extrajudicial killings, with petitioners demanding accountability of the DCI's role in the surging vice. NTV's Laban Shaban reports.
After nearly 2 weeks of mystery, silence and courtroom drama,
we must stop this madness.
Make your way here.
He walked in. Ndiang'ui Kinyagia, the man whose disappearance sparked public outrage and finger-pointing at the state, appeared before the High Court in Nairobi on Thursday.
You appeared to have beards.
Not produced by police, not in handcuffs, but on his own, alive and unmistakably present, with family members in court visibly traumatized.
This today was for explaining the whereabouts of the second petitioner, and now that the second petitioner is in the court, it's proper and appropriate that the family has time with him together and their advocates and take instructions and possibly have him treated.
Justice Chacha Mwita set hearing dates for July 18th and 24th, when the court will take oral evidence and allow for the cross-examination of the Director of Criminal Investigations, Mohamed Amin, by the Petitioners' Council.
The second petitioner may be presented to the DCI officers to record a statement if need be, and it should be presented by his advocates, but he should not be arrested or detained until further orders of this court.
The DCI boss was on Tuesday ordered to account for Kinyagia's whereabouts, and he honored court summons in person on Thursday.
We are happy to say that after that order was made, that was on Tuesday, as we have communicated to court, Mr. Ndiang'ui was able to contact one of his family members. And then to move a bit quickly, that is the manner in which he found his way to this court today, because we were able to process that and to advise him to come to court.
Ndiang'ui, who was widely believed to have been abducted by security agencies, had been missing since June 21st, and upon his return, the family, through their lawyer, declined to allow him or any relatives to speak to the media.
The issue of being traumatized and whatever other issue that may have been discussed about his health, it's only him who can tell me. And once he tells me, I'll be able to communicate to court properly.
Yes, I'll pick it up.
Earlier, State Counsel Emmanuel Mbita asked the court to allow DCI boss Mohamed Amin to take the witness stand, arguing that Ndiang'ui's family had treated the chief detective unfairly. The DCI had earlier marked Ndiang'ui as a person of interest over his online activism and alleged role in mobilizing youth for the June 25th protest. The agency admitted to breaking into his house in Ikinoho on the night of June 21st, claiming they were executing an arrest, a move that only deepened suspicions as Ndiang'ui remained missing for days. With increased cases of abductions and extrajudicial killings in the past year alone, public uproar is seen as a way of pushing the government to take responsibility or act accordingly. Laban Shaban, NTV, Nairobi.